Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, let's talk about here the bullish price action for SMCI super microcomputer stock. We had here plus 7% on Friday. This is not that much guys, but I want to show you how we start to break here the bearish pattern, and we could see, as you know, a squeeze here for SMCI. I'm super bullish on that stock. This video is not to hype you up guys, not to create FOMO. I just show you here my personal opinion based on the chart, and this is not financial advice. Yo guys, if you didn't see my previous videos, we can see that SMCI is here in a very strong bull trend, but since we had here the peak at $122, we lost here a lot of gains guys. Yeah, we came back here more than 86% before we had a rebound, but that was very predictable. I'm releasing here since a couple of months videos about SMCI on my channel, and especially when we had this price action here, that was exactly what I wanted to see guys. I always say no drama, no squeeze guys. You need to see a shakeout here, and by shakeout is exactly here guys, these kind of gap downs here. When you have these huge gaps in the chart, this is what the market makers do. Gap down, gap down, gap down, gap down. You know, they want to create panic. They want you, that you think that this stock is going to hell or to zero. But when you see the overall chart picture here, is a very strong accumulation zone for SMCI here between $23, $22 here in that range guys, and the market makers just created this kind of shakeout here before we had a very, very predictable technical reaction here in total of 177%, which I, as I said, also predicted here on my channel. So guys, now let's talk about the actual chart setup here for SMCI. We start here first with the indicators. And yeah, before we continue here guys, if you see this video, you might already have access here to my hot stocks guys. Every Sunday I release here my brand new hot stock videos with the squeeze tickers for next week. So which means when I release those videos on Sunday, I expect those tickers here, which I present in these videos, to squeeze in the very few next days. I cannot give you any guarantee, of course, guys, but we had here so many squeezes in the past months, and especially here this week, guys, we had an almost 800% squeeze. In total, it was even 844%. But when I released this ticker here on Patreon, you can see that was the price which I said I expect the squeeze to happen here, maybe 7% shakeout, and then we had here a 797% short squeeze guys. So the brand new hot stocks are available right now, and of course I always release swing trade tickers on Patreon as well. You get a lot of content here if you want to join in our trading community guys. As I said, the full package membership here on Patreon is the way to go. This is where every day new members joining in guys, we growing and growing and growing, and you get a lot of benefits here if you join in. And if you want to become a part of this trading community, you can click here the info icon in the corner guys to get access to this Patreon member link. So guys, what is now on for SMCI? So first thing what we see right now here in the chart, that is we create here higher lows. So we had here again a very nice technical reaction. I will show you my drawings that you can see all the price levels here. Again, plus 44%. Don't forget guys, we talk here about a ticker with $21 billion market capital. So the average trading volume is 37 million shares, and even we have here that highly tradable stock, or a stock where there's a lot of volume behind. Yeah, we see even here in just 4 days, 5 days, a price action of plus 43%. This is very volatile and shows how much violent power is behind that stock, and that we can of course here easy see a short squeeze back to $86 and even new all-time highs in my opinion. So let's talk about the drawings right now. So what is going on guys? Very simple. I made here a very simple chart structure for you. This is what I expect to happen here for SMCI. We trading here in this very strong uptrend channel. As I mentioned that before, SMCI is in a very strong uptrend guys. Yeah, we are not talking here about the bearish stock. This is a bullish stock, but of course when you have a short squeeze like that, when you squeeze out of this liquidity range here to $122, this is not healthy guys. Every time when you see straight lines like that, it doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin or whatever guys, this is not healthy. When you see squeezes like that, it is just a matter of time until you have to confirm the support at some point. But as I mentioned before, the liquidity zone range here for SMCI is between $33 and $23. This is the main bullish liquidity zone, not bearish guys. This is where the buying algos are waiting, and now we're forming here something like a wedge pattern. Yeah, that means the white line here is the support, the white line here is the resistance, and you can see that this pattern here will come to an end very, very soon. what usually happens when you see something like that, it was the same for Tesla, by the way. You can also see my old Tesla videos where I predicted also the squeeze after Tesla went down to $100. So this is what we have for SMCI right now. That's why I'm so bullish on the stock here. If we just hold this support, we can always see shakeouts in the market, guys. Don't get me wrong, yeah? Gap downs like that can happen at any time soon. And you can see that we also have the earning report next week. So we can see here a lot of volatility. The market makers give us always some hidden signals what is going on in the chart. So we know that SMCI gapped up once more. Now we have here an open down gap at $29, $23, and here you can see even $18 and $16. We have even here open down gap. So the worst case scenario, guys, for me personally, the worst case scenario is that we even would come down here to $16. Don't forget that, guys. Technically, that is possible. That would bring here a down price momentum of minus 55%. But as long as the price is trading above $27, above this white line, we have a very strong support from the bullish side or the bullish algos. The next price goal here. So why is this now so interesting? We're trading here in this trend channel. Let me switch off here the drawings, guys, and I make this here a little bit more smooth to see. So this is here the trend channel pattern which we have, guys. Yeah, we have the bottom line and the top line. And now you can see what also is something like a resistance level is this middle line here of this trend channel. Yeah, I draw that here for you guys that you can see that. And what happens right now is that SMCI start to squeeze above this middle line. So if we keep the support, you can see here when I extend that line, we always got rejected here, rejection here back in July 2024, next squeeze attempt in December, which I also predicted here. That was the date range where I said I expect the squeeze to happen for SMCI, and that was exactly here where the top has been in. But now you can see that we start to build bullish candles above this price line here, guys. What does that mean? That usually the next price goal is the top line of this trend channel here, and this is also what I personally expect here for SMCI. We have now here support, at least a gap up here, so sooner or later we have to come back down, but for now it looks like that SMCI is retesting here the next price levels, and that would mean the open gap which is waiting here at $44.05, and then even $51.35 could be possible. But as I said, this white line here is a very bearish resistance. So yeah, $51 here, guys, in that range is maybe the pit stop before we have to come down. Sooner or later, I expect here a squeeze to happen for SMCI. The lower the price comes, the better it is. That's why I say for me, it's no problem if this ticker goes down to $16. But of course, I work here with a stop loss. I will buy in back later. I don't back hold stocks, guys. That makes no sense. Always take the swing trades, take your profits, and you can re-enter anytime soon. Not financial advice, but this is how I trade this stock. Guys, when we squeeze above this white trend line here, when we leave this white trend line, then we start to talk here about a short squeeze for SMCI and about much higher price goals. Guys, that was the quick weekend update here for SMCI. As I said, check out here my hot stock video will be available on Sunday. And if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, guys, maybe I switch. Yeah, I keep the open gaps in the chart. This is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and for all my trades. And I can offer you here, guys, a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. Guys, I can just recommend that program. TradingView is not sponsoring me. I just use that program since many years and I can highly recommend it. Guys, that was the update. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you nothing but the best with SMCI and all the other short squeeze plays. And if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I appreciate your support. See you in the next video, guys. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten SMCI Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.